Good morning, I'm Em, and yesterday, or the night before last, we had about 18 hours, we got about 9 inches of rain, and here on the Ozarks, it really, you know, your mountains or your hills, whatever you choose to call them. I was calling them hills, but mountains just sound more fun, so I'm calling them mountains. So you have all of those and lots of low areas. And we have that little creek beside our house. And so, not last night, but the night before, Patrick and I were taking turns checking on how high is the water. And it definitely, oh, chipmunk. It definitely got pretty high. But no damage was done. Our children's slide went down the creek a bit, but it stayed on our property, so that was really good. Other than that, we didn't have any personal damage. We drove around yesterday morning after the waters had quite receded. By the time we got up in the morning, they had receded quite a bit. So we drove around and looked at roads around, and there's a lot of washouts, which is our typical when we get a lot of rain. Lots of washouts. We haven't gone out to see the worst roads. There's some spots where the low water bridges are concrete, but then the road is basically just the native rock and some gravel. And so in some of those low water crossings, we typically have like 2-foot holes on the side of the concrete because it just washes out and they have to just keep filling it in. Excuse me. So the rest of this video is Patrick and I just deciding to go for a drive and look around. And we found some treasures, and we had fun, and we had laughs, and it was a good random date in the middle of the week. We did see, I didn't video because it was in neighbors' yards, but we had 2 neighbors. One neighbor's fence was like, it's gone. I don't even know where it went. And then another neighbor's, his was knocked down, about a third of it probably. I don't know. I don't know if there's a lot of big damage or not, but it was quite fun to go around and see what we could find. I know a lot of people like to go out and look for arrowheads after rains, and we didn't find any, but we did find a couple cool things. And I just wanted to put an intro to this video. It's really quiet video, mostly with hearing water, but then random bits from Patrick and I. So I hope you enjoy, and if you don't, that's okay too. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.
What do you want me to video?
My rock. I'm gonna take it home with me.
What kind of rock is it?
Fibonacci maybe? No, spiral of some kind. What are those called? Starts with an A. I like it. And I'm not using your joke. I like it. I like rocks. It's actually not that bad of a hole. It's not because of the culvert though, so why did it do that?
Film me. Got it? Are you filming me?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey babe, look.
Oh, you found the other side. Good job. It's not the other side. That one's really cool. It has a lot of spiral to it.
Here, it's my gift to you.
Aww.
Not really. It's for my girlfriend.
I'm your girlfriend. Ah.
Wow, that's a, whoa, what was that? Frog.
What?
Frog.
Oh, I've seen it in my tank. I mean, I've physically seen him.
Oh boy. How'd your husband fall off the culvert?
Woo! Oh, you're gonna lose him. Oh!
No! No!
That's a massive culvert.
Yeah, it is. 4 foot, you think? 3?
Something like that.
Do you need a hand?
Yeah.
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 Good job.
Superman. Alright.
I gotta wash my rock a little bit.